So in front of me I've got Marshall Major 4. In this video I'll show you how to use functional button. In the beginning, take a look at the functional button located on the right air cap and use it to turn the headphones on and off. You can do it by pressing and holding this button for 2 seconds. Next, you can play pause. You can do it by pressing and holding this button once. To skip forward or backwards, tilt this button right and left. To fast forward or rewind, push and hold to the right or to the left. To turn the volume up or down, push upwards or downwards. To answer or end a call, push once. To reject an incoming call, push twice. For Bluetooth pairing, push and hold for 4 seconds. To activate Voice Assistant, push 2 times. Voice Assistant works only if the headphones are connected to a device that is supported with Voice Assistant. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.